there's a contract, but the one we are working on. Yes, it go the way. That's the one for Setraco. Yes.
So which means you are not doing part of this.
No, we are doing the one in front of us here. There's another road right in front of our terminal where these trucks are. We have a road there. And it's like a L shape. And it's all concrete. That's what we're doing. All of this area, all the way down, is where we are doing. So we move, when you are coming to the terminal, you have to take yourself away from the carriageway and enter the terminal. We don't want the traffic of the terminal to interfere with the whole part of the members of the public. That's why we have it that way. All solar lights are all been installed.
Territory. With the pace of work so far going, are you satisfied that you meet the deadline?
Very well. I'm so excited. Where we are now, this site was flagged up July 1st this year. That's at Abuja. And within 3 months, you can see what they've been able to do. The time given to them is 15 months to complete the project, but with the speed the contractor is going, we believe it will be before that 15 months. He has even told us that by January, he will be able to hand over these projects to us, this Mabuchi and the one at Kubo. The quality of work you can see by yourself. If you were here when we flagged up the two, you know that they've really done very, very well. I'm happy that at the end of the day, the residents of Abuja would see that we have changed the landscape of the area. We have changed, given them different transportation system, which they have lacked for years, and yearning for them to have a proper transport system. So we're very happy with what we have seen. Very, very happy.
Minister, I like to debate from why we're here now to Rivers politics.
I will not answer that. Watch me today in China. So I'll be here for the bus terminal. I'm not here for Rivers issue. When the time comes, I will answer that. Today is about the bus terminal. We're talking about Abuja now. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have questions on this particular project? That should be the last one, please.
We have some problems there, but we're able to sort it out. There are a lot of underground facilities which they have tried to settle with the FCDA. I'm sure soon work will seriously start there. What do you mean by bus stops? What do you mean by bus stops? By the time we finish this, you don't need to be having we will not allow buses and taxis to be on the road. Everybody has to move to the various terminals.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So you're just a reverse politics.
So we're right in front of the building here. So all of this area have been completed. This whole area have been completed. We have completed all of this. But we have finished all the pavement, have been done. The terminal building is what you are looking at. And for the record, sir, that mountain you are looking at is where this project started. That was the original site you handed over to us in July 1st. It was mountain and a bush. We have managed to turn it to a city for you, and we are still working. It's 3 months. Yes, sir, within 3 months, Honorable Minister, despite the fact that we had the rain, it's the work you have seen here, and we're happy to inform you that all the external work is about 70-80% done. And you gave us 15 months. I want to assure you, sir, in 7 months, this project will be completed by January. I'm happy to take you around to show you all the various work that you have done by your people in Nigeria. Yes, we will finish, sir. Everything you see here is like 3 month work. We work day and night.
Let's move.
On the other side. All the buildings are up. So where we are here, that one is where we started. Where this police. Where we started. So what we are showing you by January and this later. This was the original. This was the original item. This is the road. This road is like that. Bypass. And then you enter the road, you come out, and then the concrete road, and see it all there. It's concrete. Not asphalt. Concrete is better as well durable because of the high volume and nature of the buses, so it can withstand the load. And that's why we're proposing that we have concrete all over here. And it's told that you can go inside or you go straight ahead. That's the way it's designed. Yeah, we put see-through material. That's what we put there. But when we finish painting around here, because it's special maybe so that we're going to do this is the passenger area.
Okay.
Those
Fine, sir.
This is not my room, but this is the passport. Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah, back to your boss. Enter your boss. They go.
Get the foundation where we could do this building. Like before, we've done over 90% of the external work. I can take the other side around. We have the time to show you. All of these places was where we had the. So all of these fences were all constructed under very deep foundation because the soil is poor. You can see some of the solar lights have all been installed. If you come here by 7 o'clock, the whole place is all lit up. Yes, it is. Yes, for all the external area has been done, but the one for the building, when the building is done, you have the zoning panel light, so everything will complement each other.